got a package after like a long time. Let's see what it is. And can you hear that metallic sound? I have an idea of what this is, but still I don't think there should be some nuts and bolts in it. Okay, I think these are like two different packages. This one's got the metallic sound though. Invoice. This is a gun puncture kit, and this is once again from Grand Pit Stop. You might remember this name from my previous tool that I used, the G roller. That is like one amazing tool. That is the best tool you can have if you're a rider. It's portable, it's small, it's simple to carry. You can just throw it in your bag and go for a ride. It's really handy when you go for a long ride and you need to lube your chain like every 400 or 500 kilometers. And still, if you want to avail a discount of 30% flat on the MRP, you can still go to the website grandpitstop.com. At the checkout time, you can use my coupon code Sriman30 and get a flat 30% off on the MRP. And I always definitely try to promote a product if it's like really handy. And I think this is also kind of I've seen this product before in some other YouTube videos, and I thought this will also be useful for my fellow riders like you people. Then let's quickly open it and see what's there inside the box. And oh yeah, one more thing guys, you can avail that 30% off on this product as well. This is something interesting. This is like in a bag. Instruction manual. Anyways, I'll show you how to use it. I don't know about all this stuff, and you have this I don't know what to call it. You get like 6 things in this bag. What the hell is this gun? Okay, what the hell is this, guys? Is this like an air pistol or what? Okay, nothing's happening. Fudge. Did you see this? And then this is like a release system. And then you have a small blade, maybe to cut out the excess, the rubber that you insert into the puncture. This, you know what to do with this, right? I think if you guys are familiar with how to puncture a tire, they usually remove the thing that caused the puncture and then they try to make the hole bigger so that they can insert the plug. Okay guys, so this is called the Reamer, R-E-A-M-E-R. Alright guys, I finally figured out how to use this puncture kit. It's very simple. Hardly three or 4 steps max. Take your plug, release this. Throw in this plug into this nozzle. You need to push this inside using something. You have to take this tool, and what you have to do is insert the sharp tool into the tire. Assume that this is the tire's hole, so you just push it in like that to unscrew this. Alright, comes out like this. Alright, this part is left inside your tire. You take the gun and you rotate it and screw this in that place, and then start. So you're done with the seal. Now you can just pull out the gun. Now this doesn't have any plug. The plug has been pushed into the tire and your tire is sealed like properly. You can see the plug inside my hand. Alright, so that's very simple guys. 3 steps max. If you want to still see the proper demonstration of how to use this kit, I'll just leave a link in the description and you can check that video out. And now the biggest question I always had. So how do you fill back that air into the tire? For that, Grand Pit Stop has come up with a great solution. Let me quickly unbox this. I know what this is now. I really love unboxing, man. Alright, so this is the tire inflator, guys. No guys, this is not the electronic machine that you see. Once again, a nice bag. Alright, there are like these bullets inside this. Look at these cool things. Guys, this is the CO2 inflator. This is like compressed air inside it. Once you're done with the tire puncture repair, take one of these cylinders and you have these two things that comes along with the kit, and the cylinder goes here. I'll not put this because otherwise this cylinder becomes useless now. However, you can control the airflow using this knob. So yeah guys, all you need when you're traveling is just 2 bags of this. Just throw it in your bag and you are very safe. Yes guys, this is like very important. Imagine you're on a state highway or you're going through some woods. You'll never have a puncture shop just by the side wherever your puncture happens, right? And man, I have to appreciate Grand Pit Stop. They always come up with like nice tools that are like really useful for a biker. I mean, these are like really practical stuff, nothing fancy. These are the things you need when you ride. Thank you Grand Pit Stop for introducing such stuff. All the links will be in the description. You can buy the G roller, you can buy this one and use my code Sriman 30 and get flat 30% off on the MRP. And chalo guys, I'm going out now. Actually, I'm going for a night ride. Yes, after a long time I'm going for a night ride. Not a long one, but I'm just gonna meet a couple of my friends. So yeah, let's quickly go. And I also have to tell you something about Charan's wedding. Yeah, Charan, the streetman guy, he got married. Chalo, let's go. I actually shot a little bit of a vlog there, so maybe I'll show you a little bit of snippets. Alright guys, what's up? Good morning, good evening. Okay, this is 10 in the night, so good morning kya bolna bhai? Good evening. Okay, I think that sounds much better. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to meet Charan and a couple of other friends. I don't know how Charan is coming because guys, he like got married 2 days ago. Can you believe it? 2 days ago, and he's roaming out like this. Stupid fellow. What's up? Today is Charan's wedding and look at all of us. Woo! Full on bling.
मैं
Shraddha, Adi, Kishore,
as always,
and the Pingu.
Bingo,
Edwin. This is Mr. Nehru. Look at him.
आपका कीमती वोट इन्हें ही दीजिए.
Thank you.
Let me know how do I look. Proper ethnic Raja.
अब देसी बॉय.
Bahubali.
कादम.
Oh, music in the background.
अजीम वो शहंशाह.
That's the right one. And one guy is missing. Sriman. Sriman is missing because he's the Toti Peli Kodku.
Toti?
What is Toti Peli Kodku?
Todi मेरे को पता है.
Same thing है ना? Anyways, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? You don't have. Okay, north में you don't have Toti Peli Kodku.
I guess है, but क्या बोलते पता नहीं. छोटा दूल्हा.
चलो पता
नहीं.
छोटा दूल्हा. छोटा तो correct है. I don't know what दूल्हा.
दूल्हा?
What's the time?
చాలా expensive.
5-6. In another 2 hours, Charan is gonna get hitched forever. And I think we're looking all different this time because every time we look with the biker's gear.
मैं नहीं, मैं है.
That's Charan's photo shoot going on, and look at him blushing. Full on pink ho gaya. Look at his fingers. Look at his fingers. What are you doing? నీ రియాక్షన్ చూస్తున్నా. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి జూమ్ చేసి నీ ఒక్కడి ఫేసే చూడాలి నేను. ఇది ఫేస్
satisfaction रहेगा.
Okay, so actually right now as you can see, wow man, it's so empty the roads. I'm here in Banjara Hills. Time is around 10:15. I know it is not like really late and it should be like jam packed right now. I think I'm just lucky. And yeah, I'm going to meet a couple of my friends. It's been like really long not really long, maybe a few days. But yeah, we're not going on night rides like this on the bikes, you know. We're meeting generally outside, but we'll have to meet for rides. And okay, stay. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna just meet and chill. We're gonna meet at Banjara Hills Driven Cafe. Yeah, this is the place, Driven Cafe. पार्किंग किधर है भाई? पार्किंग किधर है? ऊपर नहीं लगा सकते ना? So yes guys, this is the place. This is the branch of Banjara Hills. This is the first time I'm coming here actually. Doesn't look as impressive as the Gachibowli branch. Pretty decent. Okay guys, I'm here actually at the Driven Cafe in Banjara Hills, and this guy, Shubham, he came all the way from Ahmedabad to meet me. No, actually he came for some work, but since like 2 days he's messaging me a lot. He wanted to meet me, and finally, what was the time?
I guess
It's almost like 12 o'clock in the night, and 12 o'clock in the night, and he finally met me.
Yeah, I'm feeling out of this world. I mean, it was a dream come true to meet him, and when I
Come on here.
no, really, it was a dream come true to meet, because I am one of his oldest subscribers. Made the first video on YouTube, the first ever video, and I saw that, and I was like, who's this guy?
And actually, I'm very sorry, it's really dark here. I mean, it's like so late, so they are supposed to leave. So yeah, I thought I'll take him the vlogs because
Thanks
he's
a lot, sir,
from a
to
long time.
give me the time.
Talk for some time, and
Bye-bye, guys.
it's already late.